Good morning, dear students. We are starting our next new chapter number 4, working with queries. In the previous chapters, we understood about the database and tables. A database is a collection of different type of tables, and tables are having different type of data under the different headings. In this chapter, we will learn how to extract the information from the table with the help of queries. Extract means how to take out the required information from the table. Okay, so query is a database object that helps us to retrieve and view information from one or more database tables that meet specific conditions or criteria as we defined. We will be finding out the required information from the tables with the help of queries. First of all, we will discuss what is a query. Query is like a simple question that we ask to find a specific information from the database. We use queries to view, change, summarize and analyze specific data in different ways. Let me clear it to you. Say for example, you are having a table which is containing the information about your friends, like friend's name, mother's name, father's name, date of birth, address, class, section, roll number, etc. You want to display the list of your friends, those who lives in Udaipur only. Your friends are living in different cities, but you want to display only the names of those who lives in Udaipur city. So you can use a query to extract the information. To find out the required information from the table, you can set a query like this: display name where address equal to Udaipur. It means you are extracting the information from the database and you are setting a query: display name from a required database name you are defining, and address equal to Udaipur. So here you are defining a criteria, or you are setting a condition: city equal to Udaipur. In your database, the address is containing Udaipur, and when you run this query or when you extract the informations from the table, the informations displaying only the record those who are having address equal to Udaipur. So in this way you can extract, you can take out only the name on the base of the address where the condition you define is Udaipur. MS Access provides 4 types of queries: select query, update query, cross-tab query and append query. So my dear students, in the coming videos we will be discussing about the queries. This is all for today's class. Thank you.